वो wardrobe ही क्या जिसमें जैकेट नहीं हो. I personally love jackets. So this video we are going to talk about jackets. (1800s में the British Navy made it very popular. From coat it graduated to jackets. And तब से लेके आज तक now you can see jackets. It's like everybody, it's a must have in your wardrobe. Men's, women, even kids have jackets nowadays. So jacket is a very cool thing. You start looking very cool. Also it differentiates you from others. So अगर एक room में if you see 20-30 guys who are wearing really nice shirts and t-shirt, but suddenly when there's a guy walking in with a jacket, it gives a very kind of authority, you know. It suddenly you look much cooler with jackets. So I personally love jackets. अगर आपके पास नहीं है, make sure you have some 2-3 different kind of jackets. Doesn't matter आप कहाँ रह रहे हैं, is the place hot or cold, but still you get all different kind of material, fabrics or whatever for jackets. So you can always buy different type of jackets. इंडिया में jacket का fashion लाने वाले I think 1947 में our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. It used to be called, even now it's called Nehru jacket. So from Nehru jacket till Modi jacket, India has also really followed the passion for jackets because of our politicians wearing. Obviously our Bollywood is like totally wearing it. Like Bollywood mein to every songs from old Indian Hindi movies till now everybody wears jackets. So it is a style quotient, it's a fashion quotient in a way. Utility of jacket. Apart from it being a fashion quotient, jacket is also very useful, especially when you're traveling. Men have so many things to carry, yaar. Wallet, shades, AirPods, mask, so many things. Mobile. How do you carry? We don't have a purse or a handbag. That's why for men, jacket. Jacket is बहुत ही एक smart चीज़ है. I'll tell you why. Because what happens is, especially with Indians, lots of things are hidden by the jacket. So basically अगर आपके पास क्या बोलते हैं माँ का प्यार है, मतलब fats है या lumpy hands है या बहुत सारे बाल है, whatever, then jacket always covers it. So it's very useful. Also, especially when you're traveling, jacket keeps you warm, especially in an aircraft जहाँ temperature sometimes you feel cold. So jacket is always a must take when you fly or travel. और मेरे लिए तो most important चीज़ why to carry a jacket is, जब भी कोई लड़की को ठंडी लगे आप अपने एकदम फिल्मी अंदाज में बॉलीवुड स्टाइल में जैकेट निकाल के उसको दीजिए. You will surely get the mobile number. As you know, there are lots of types of jacket like denim jacket, leather jacket, bomber jacket, biker's jacket, motorcycle jacket, parka jacket, there are baseball jackets, then there are tracksuit jackets, then so you have a good variety of jackets according to the weather of your city. Now that we are talking about jackets, मैं आज आपको अपने खुद के कुछ personal favorite jackets I'll just show you. To start off with, दिन की शुरुआत, suppose if you're going to a gym or a morning walk, this is a very good jacket. It's dry fit obviously. It's too hot, like Mumbai is hot, so it helps you to sweat better. And it's very lightweight, good for workout. So must have, I think guys, all of you should have one trainer's jacket. Lots of brands are available, normally the sports brands like Nike, Reebok, Puma, etc. So this is a very useful one to start off your day with. जैसे ही जय के साथ वीरू होना ज़रूरी है, वैसे ही डेनिम जैकेट आपके वार्डरोब में होना ज़रूरी है. चाहे आप कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो, चाहे आप ऑफिस गोअर हो, चाहे आप डेट पे जा रहे हो, या शायद आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आउटिंग पे जा रहे हो या ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो, डेनिम जैकेट गोज एवरीवेयर ऑन ऑल ओकेजन्स. So make sure you have this denim jacket. Bomber jacket is just so awesome. I totally love it. Very cool, very casual, lightweight. कहीं भी पहनो, कुछ भी करो, घूमते रहो. Must have. पहले तो fighter pilots पहनते थे, and it really goes well with aviator shades. So highly recommended. Also you can wear shorts and track pants or chinos under the bomber jacket. So very cool thing to have. Very casual thing. Make sure you have one. So this one is a parka jacket, lightweight, weather resistant. All you people who love traveling, going for treks or jungle excursions, this is the perfect thing. Parka jacket is also very widely appreciated by the technicians, especially because they have to really travel and different types of weather. Kabhi extreme, it's extremely hot, or sometimes it's raining. So parka jacket is a very nice thing to carry, very rugged, weather resistant. You get lovely sets of colors, and this camouflage print is my personal favorite. So this one is a leather biker's jacket. Normally sub biker's jacket preferred are black leather only. A very stylish thing to have, makes you look hot, macho, alpha male, gives you that edge. Biker's jacket really goes well with, I think, washed denim, heavily washed denim, nice boots, and I think aviators. Suddenly from a chocolate boy it gives you a badass feeling. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बाइक चला रहे तो ही biker's jacket पहन सकते हैं. Otherwise also you can wear it. Few years back I remember I had been to Goa and I was wearing this biker jacket, black color leather one. I felt like I'm riding a Harley Davidson. That is the feel what it gives you. I totally love it. This one is like really cool. Make sure you have one. Ciao. Head's turning towards me, so that made me feel
whatever.
Blooper का वीडियो बना है.
Alex, what the fuck are you doing?